it's Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com, and today we have the awesome shell stitch pattern. So this is a very quick and easy stitch pattern. I'll talk more about it after we do the stitches, but you can download the pattern below and we'll get started. So to start this stitch pattern, we're going to do multiples of 6 plus 4. So depending on how wide you want it, times that by 6 and then add 4 more for the foundation chain. So here I have 16 chains, and we're going to get started with a double crochet in the 4th chain from our hook. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can work in the bottom bump if you want a nice edge. I'm just going to do the back loop for speed and do a double crochet. And then we're going to do 2 more. So we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next chain and another double crochet in the chain after that. And then we'll start with our repeat. And the repeat's very easy. We're going to chain 3 and skip 3 chains. And then we're going to do 3 double crochets again. So we go 1, 2, 3. And a DC in each of those next 3 chains. And we repeat that across until we get over near the end. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And here we are at the end. So what we're going to do is a double crochet in that last stitch. So it's very easy. You don't have to really keep track because you'll hit that last stitch and it's just basically a double crochet at the end, and then we'll turn and do row 2. So for row 2, we're going to get even easier. We're going to do chain 3, and you can do a tall chain if you want. You can check out my tall chain videos. And then we're going to kind of just do what we did on this previous row. We're going to double crochet 3 times, but this time we're just going to go around this entire chain. We're not going to work into any chains. We're just going all the way around, which makes it really easy. And then we're going to chain 3 again after I get some more slack. And do 3 double crochets in the next space. Same concept all the way across till you get to those last 4 stitches, and just like the last row, you're going to chain 3 and you're going to do a double crochet in that turning chain. So the top of the turning chain is where you're going to do that last double crochet. And that's basically it for the entire pattern. Once you start going, they start offsetting and tilting. So even though you're doing just basic double crochets, because of the way the row is facing, makes them start to tilt. So you do this for as many rows as you like. I'll show you the finished one again. So you can see it gets the tilt on every single row. And what I did was alternate color. So this is a variegated yarn. I alternated it every 2 rows. I would cut it and weave in the ends. I ran them up the sides, and you can see it's very long. It's very hard to hide that run. So I would cut it and just weave those in if you're going to be making like a scarf or something where the edges are going to show. And you can add an edging. So if you add 2 stitches on the end and put double crochets on each end, you can make kind of a border. But great reversible fabric, super easy, great TV watching pattern. And that is it. That is the awesome shell stitch pattern. I'm Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com, and thank you for watching.